Alright, now we're back to the Silver Cup this time. On the Agorian Battleplex. This challenge is called Gone in 60 seconds, excuse me. But what you must do is defeat 60 enemies in 1 minute in order to get 20,000 bolts. So starting right now. See what I tell you? You think that was that hard? If you had the right weapon, it'd be easy. But for you newcomers, it'd be tricky. That's gone in 60 seconds. So coming up next will be the 7th challenge of all the cups.